Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a let's pack and order together, and this is from my Etsy shop. So I have right now running a sale. You get 20% off if you spend $30 in my shop. So she pretty much got everything for 30 bucks, which is a really good deal. She got mostly tinsel, so let me show you what she got. She got here the silver tinsel. I believe these are going for $3.25 for an ounce, but if you get it straight through here through YouTube, I could do them for $2.50 for you guys, okay? Per ounce. This one is purple. I believe the 2-ounce bags are $4.50 in my Etsy, and of course I'll bring the price down for you as well if you shop with me through YouTube. This one is gray. And the way you can do that is you just shoot me an email, and you can find my email at the bottom of the description box of all of my videos. You just open up that little tab underneath the video and you will see my information on there, and just shoot me an email with a list of what you want. All of these, all you do is look up tinsel, and then you could go through the colors that I have and just tell me what colors you want, okay? And of course, you will get a discount with me when you go through YouTube instead of Etsy. This one is gold. Like I said, these ones here on Etsy, they go for $3.25. But when we just skip the Etsy platform, I could give them to you for $2.50. Sometimes even less when you want, if say you want all the colors, I'm definitely going to drop that price down for you a little bit more as well, okay? This one is green. She got the blood orange. And then she got some wine red as well. And then she also got micro tinsel, which are these super tiny ones, brown, and you can see the difference. These are much longer. These are very, very tiny. She got that one in brown, and she got in Barbie pink. Again, these are all an ounce. She also got some Fimo slices, Valentine Hearts candies. And then she got some 10-gram jars of little Christmas trees. A 10-gram jar of my Lottie Dottie in the green, black, and purple. And she also got these dots in teal and wine red. And then she also got a little 10-pack of retired glitter jars. I don't sell these anymore like this. I think I only have one more set left in my Etsy store. And she got this one for $4.50, which is a really good deal. I now sell them in, excuse me, in packs like in teaspoon packs. I'll show you right now. They come like this. So this would be a 10-pack now. And this would be a 40-pack. And these are really cheap in my Etsy store as well. Let's see if I can pull some up for you so I can show you how much they are going for. These pieces right here, like this 40-pack. This 40-pack is only going for $10. And then I have a 30-piece, a 20-piece, and a 10-piece. And the 10 pieces are going for $4.50. So for the ones in the jars, I only have one more set in my store. Okay. A lot of these are retired. They will not get remade. There are some that I still have for sale, but a lot of these, once they're done, I don't remake them, and I just make new mixes. This one is Blueberry Bunny, and this one does have little bunnies in there. This is really good. This one's really cute. It's blue, and it has a lot of kind of like neon colors in there. This one is Butterfly Kisses. And I promise you, all the glitters are really pretty. I will not put them up for sale if I am not willing to use them myself. So all the glitters are really nice. I try to make your bundle as colorful as possible when you get these bundles, these grab bag bundles. to make sure you get a really nice variety of color and themes, kind of. This one is Blacklight. I believe I have them. I used to have them in 50 pack, but I don't anymore. So now I just do the 10, 20, 30, and 40 piece. But you can't beat 40 glitter mixes for 10 bucks. This one is Material Girl. I think I still might have some of this one, but I'm running low on this one as well. And again, I don't think I will remake that one once it is done. This one is Summertime Fling. You can't beat 10 mixes for $4.50, really. And they're all really pretty. This one is Neon Lights. I can't open it because it has the seal on there. But that's another neon one. This one is Vintage 2. I have a Vintage 1, 2, and 3. I believe I still sell some of this in my shop. Originally, they were called the Vintage Cup of Tea, kind of like tea party colors. But I'm limited to my titles, so I always have to shorten them. This one is Elegance. This one's really pretty. This one has a lot of holographic and swirls. Elegance. This one is Gone Batty. So this one should have little bats. I do try to fill them as much as I can for you guys as well. I know there is a lot of settling during transit, so I make sure when you get them, your jars still look full. So I try to settle them as much as I can here so that you get a nice amount in your jar. This one is Puppy Love. And this one has little keys and little pastel hearts. What I'll do is when I pack them, I'll go ahead and do this. And I'll put more and I'll settle it and put more until they get nice and full. And you see? No need for too much settling during transit. You're not going to get half a jar. So there you go. This little bundle that she got here of the 10 piece was only $4.50 for her. So that's a great deal. I do sell more of these little blind bags. But again, like I said, now they come in bags. If you want them in jars, let me know. And I could give you a price for the jars. I do have extra jars I can send you if you want to buy some jars as well. I have the 5-gram jars and the 10-gram jars. And that is everything she got, guys, with the 20% off if you spend $30 in my shop. That's a really good deal. You can't go wrong with that. And of course, she's going to get some freebies from me. She got a really nice amount of glitters there for 30 bucks. And I'm going to try to keep the sale going. I believe it ends December 1st. But I think I'm going to keep it going to the end of December. So if you're interested, go check it out. Made to Glitter Cookie in Etsy.com. And you're always welcome to just shop there. Or you can look at my full inventory. Like I said, you pick your colors and what you want and shoot me a list. And my email, you can find it in the description box below of all of my YouTube videos. Just hit that little arrow that opens up where you get the description, and you'll find my email there, and you could just shoot me an email anytime. That is it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in as always, and until next time, bye. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving week. Until next time.